I squeaked his toy one time from Mama Corn. Oh, what do you see? What do you see? Oh my. Do you want that toy? Do you want the toy? Oh. Ah. Get it. Get it, Paco. Get it. Get it. Come here. Get it, get it, get it. I don't know about this. Oh, there's more. Oh, 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 oh. What's that thing? What's that thing? Oh, oh my. What is it? Get it, get it, get it. Oh, 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 oh. Do you like your toy? Do you like your toy? Go get it. Woo! Go get it. I think he likes it, Mama Corn. He plays backwards soccer. This toy that slaps back. Get it! Get it, Paco! Get it! Get it! Get it! There's no more. Good. I think that was a success, Mom. Good job. Very good choice. He's so happy. He wants to tell you. Uh-oh.